Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that what are the alternatives of SPSS software. As we already know that SPSS is not an open source software and a user has to pay a lot of money to purchase the subscription of this software. If we talk about SPSS subscription, there are many packages. If we just simply talk about the base package, one user has to pay $3,610 for annual fee subscription. And if we talk about premium user, and one user has to pay 23,800 US dollar for annual subscription. Though MS software is also included in the premium services, but it's a very expensive and costly software for a researcher or student who is just starting his journey of research. So, what are the alternative of if one has to do the research and he has to do the analysis, what are the software he or she can use? So there are three software which are going to discuss in this video, and all of these software are free to use, and these are the source software. So one of them is Jamovi software. The best feature of the software is that it's open source and free, and plus it has a cloud version, so you can use this software without installing the software in your system. You can use this software on your mobile. And but another feature of the software is that it's the third generation software. Jamovi is a new third generation statistical spreadsheet software. If we talk about SPSS software, it's a first generation software. So Jamovi has a lot of features which you can use if you want to analyze your data. So we will discuss this software in detail in some other videos. We will go to the next software, which is JASP software. This software is also a free and open source software, and you can do a lot of things with this software. If we talk about the feature of this software, you can, do descriptive t-test, ANOVA, mixed method, regression, frequencies, factor analysis, and acceptance sampling, audit. And if we talk about just simply social sciences research, then you do not have to do audit and other things like, but you can do meta-analysis and other things like you can do uh, SEM, structural equation modeling here, and you can also do visual modeling. So we will move to the next software, which is also open source and free software, and its name is PSPP. So this is the third software which is free and open source. You can use this software, and it's basically uh, these three packages. If you get want to get command of any of these software, you can do. But these are all software are very useful if you want to do your data analysis for quantitative research, and you do not have to pay a single penny for these software. Just simply download these software and you can use them for any of kind of analysis. Jamovi can also perform meta-analysis, but these all softwares a great source. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.